Morning here, letting the boot up here. We're getting a selling corn today. We're out here next to the home. We're out here next to the right here next to the shop today, selling. The big field over yonder is done. That's 500 acres field done. We got the we done some custom work with a guy we shoot some sharecropping with. We got that done, and we come back over here yesterday to this farm, selling this field. There's about 100 acres here. This is the same field where the early beans was in last year, March beans. This is the same field that's in, and somebody's brought a pile of corn there. Grain cart drivers. We are gonna sell this field today. We got to try to another 60-acre field after this, and then we're gonna move to. We're gonna switch over to soybeans. Got about 500 acres. So we've got about 500 acres of soybeans just cut that are ready. So that's that. Corn wise, we're down to we're down to about 750 acres of corn. We're down to 750 acres of corn. We have added 1,000 acres of corn shelled. We have about added 1,000 acres of corn shelled, so we're down to about 750 acres. So that's not too bad. So yeah. This all the corn shelled so far is making about 220, 240. So can't complain about that. This stuff's around about 16% moisture in this field. Pretty dang good, and pretty daggum good. So get into that. This is probably one of my worst. This is probably some of the worst ground. It's kind of white. Anyway, it's not too bad though. Pretty happy with that. So we're gonna keep on trucking.